Okay, responding to your email with the tall cabinet. So if we make this a jewelry drawer on top, then we could split this and make 3 drawers here instead of the 2. Or one option is, because these are such wide drawers, to put a drawer behind, or a rollout behind the front of this. So what that would look like is the drawer that's attached to this drawer front would be shortened in height, and then we could put a rollout, or the definition of that is a drawer that you have to open up a drawer or door to access. So that would be a really shallow drawer, and you wouldn't need it that deep for its intended purpose. So this drawer front would open up, and you'd pull that out, and then you'd have to pull the rollout out behind this door. Or we split it into 3. So if we shortened the overall height of these 2 drawers, of course we can make this hamper front taller, but that's not going to gain us anything because this hamper is at a set height. They come at a certain height. So making the wood front taller isn't going to pick us up any more storage space because of what these come at from the factory. And this cabinet here is now a drawer stack, and then we could do the same thing here. We could leave it alone and leave it for a jewelry drawer, but we'd have to change the height of this to make it shallower, and I think it looks best to keep these 3 drawer stacks with the same drawer heights. So again, same thing with this drawer here, is we would just put a rollout behind this door. So if that makes sense, if that is along the lines of what you're thinking, because those jewelry drawers, they really don't need to be but maybe 2 inches tall overall. And the front of this is 6 3/16 tall, and on this wall, this drawer is about 8.5 inches tall. So we've got room to do that. So anyway, just an idea. Let me know. Thanks.